Hi, I'm Justin Phillips, owner and founder of Landmark Roofing, and we're your residential roofing experts. At Landmark Roofing, we're dedicated to using only the highest quality materials. A lot of roofing contractors say that, we really mean it. At the end of the day, I want the same materials to go on your home as I would want on my house. And when it comes to installing those materials, the true test of whether your roofing system is going to last for years is the way in which it's installed. What separates us from our competition is the manner in which we install your roof, the industry best practices, and installing every roof above code. We also make sure to take special precautions to protect your landscaping, as we understand the exterior of your home is just as important as the inside. At the end of the installation, the only thing that's changed is you have a brand new roof installed above code. Another thing that separates us at Landmark Roofing is we are a CertainTeed Master Craftsman. That gives you the option to not only get our 5-year workmanship warranty, but have the option to extend that out to 25-year workmanship warranty backed by the manufacturer. Once again, I'm Justin Phillips, the owner and founder of Landmark Roofing. And the reason I started Landmark Roofing is not only to offer great roofing services, but also to leave a positive impact in the communities in which we work and live, even down to not having to duck or dodge people in the grocery store. When we put on a Landmark shirt, we want to make sure that we're not just good leaders in our profession, but we're also good leaders at home and in our communities. So whether you have an active leak, you have questions about storm damage, you just want to know the true condition of your roof, or anything in between, reach out to us and find out why so many of your friends and families chose Landmark.